Now, welcome to one more session of Maths for Standard 8. This is chapter number 2. So, from today we are starting chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. My friends, see, you have come across algebraic expressions like 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1, 2xy plus 5, and equations like 5x is equal to 25, 2x minus 3 is equal to 9, 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So this type of expressions and equations you have come across in earlier standard. Now what is the difference between algebraic expressions and equations? Look at it. Equations use equality sign. Equations use equality sign, which is missing in expressions. Look at it. These are the examples of expressions. You cannot see equality sign, but here is equality signs are used. Moreover, in expressions mentioned above here, use more than one variable. Look at it. This expression use only one variable, x. X is the variable, 5 is constant. So here x, one variable. Look at it. There are two variables. Here also two variables. So expressions here mentioned here use more than one variable. There may be two variables, there may be three variables. Okay, but however, we restrict to one variable. See, these are the examples of equations in which only one variable is used. X. Here is x. Here is only one. Okay. So in any one example of equation, only one variable will be used in our chapter. Okay. See, to the left hand side and to the right hand side of equality one. Okay, and when we form the equation and the highest power of the variables occurring in the expression is 1. Look at it. Highest power of variable. See, x has one power, 1 degree. Okay, here also, here also. So we are going to use the equations in which we are going to use expressions using only one variable, either x or y or z. Okay, only one variable you can see in the example in the equation. Moreover, only highest power of the variable will be 1. Okay, 1 degree polynomial is used in formation of equation. Okay. So these are called linear equations in one variable. Linear equation. While forming the equation, if we use the expressions with only one variable and having highest power only one, then these equations will use linear equation in one variable. So the highest power is 1, that is why it is linear, because if you draw a graph of it, the graph is a straight line, and that is why any equation using only one power of highest power of the variable 1, then it is linear, and only one variable will be used. So these are the examples. These are the examples of linear equations in one variable. So equation word is used only when the equality is high. Okay, and the linear polynomial for the highest power of variable will be only 1. Okay, now my friends, in the linear expressions of one variable like this, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the example of linear equation in one variable. Now look at it. This is equality sign or equality mark. Look at that. This is the left hand side of equality, and this is the right hand side of equality. Okay. So values of the expressions on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the expression of the equation is equal of the equation. See, this is equation. This is equality sign. So left hand side of equality sign and right hand side of equality sign, the value of both is always equal. Okay. This happens to be true only for certain value of the variable. If we put certain value in place of x, then and only then the value to the bottom side of equality marks is equal. Okay, if you write here 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So here it is 7. So the value x is equal to 1 is not giving you the equal value to both the sides. So only some certain value of x give you equal values in both the sides. Okay, this happens to be true only for certain value of the variable. x की जगह पे कोई एक certain value आप डालोगे तभी दोनों साइड की वैल्यू सेम होगी. x की जगह पे और कोई वैल्यू डालोगे तो इक्वेशन है वो बैलेंस नहीं होगा. ओके, दिस वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. x की जगह पे जो वैल्यू डालने से दोनों साइड की वैल्यू सेम होती है उसको इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन बोला जाता है. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन मेथड. ओके, both the sides of the equation is balanced. दोनों साइड बैलेंस होती है. And to find the solution, if you want to find the solution, we have to perform the same mathematical operation to both the sides. Operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. This type of mathematical operation we have to perform both the sides. Then and only then, until last, this balance is maintained, and still we are able to find the solution of the equation. How it is? Look at it. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the equation, linear equation in one variable. Now we want to find the solution of it, and every time, so initially this equation is balanced, and if we perform the same mathematical operation on the sides, means what? If we add the same number both the side, if we add subtract both the same number both the side, if we multiply with same number to both the side, and if we divide the number expression to both the side with the same number, then and only then it will remain balanced. Okay, so 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now to find the solution, we need to keep x along to the left hand side. यहाँ पे x है वो अकेला रहना चाहिए. Means what? We have to remove minus 3 and 2 step by step. So first of all, we want to remove minus 3. Now to remove minus 3, we have to add plus 3. Okay, so 2x minus 3. Now we have added 3 here. You also have to add the 3 here because we have to perform the same mathematical operation both the sides. Now minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 2x here. Here 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now we want to remove 2, which is a multiple of x. So to remove 2, we have to divide by 2 both the sides. So 2x divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. So 2 cut, x is here, and 5 to the 10, 5 here. So this is the solution of equation. Means what? If you write 5 in place of x, then both the sides are balanced. Look at it. 5 to the 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 is already written over here. So both the sides are balanced for x is equal to 5. And that is why x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. Only certain value of x give you balance both the sides. Okay, and this is known as the solution of the equation. Okay, my friend. initially we will solve the equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. So we are solving this type of equation in which, look at the equality mark. Expression is there to the left hand side and number is there to the right hand side. Very easy type of question this one are. This one is okay. Now we have learned example number 1, find solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. We have just a few minutes ago we have solved the equation here. This particular equation we have solved here. Now we are going to use this method. Look at it. 2x plus 9 is equal to 4. 2x plus 9 is equal to 4. Now what we are supposed to do here? We are supposed, first of all we want to remove 9 from here. So we will move 9 to the right hand side of equal to mark. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. See, if any numbers moves from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, keep this thing in mind. We want to move 9 toward the right hand side. Now 9 is here in the relation plus 9, 2y plus 9. So 9 is added to 2y here. So here if we move 9 here, then 9 will be subtracted from here. So this is in the addition, in the relation of addition. So when the number is moved, transported to the opposite side, and the number is in the addition relation here, it will be moved to the opposite side as a subtraction relation. So plus 9 will be minus 9. But remember that the relation between 9 and 2y here is of addition. It will be subtracted from here. Now 2y is equal to 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. Now we want to remove 2 here. So 2 is in the relation of multiplication. 2 is in the relation of multiplication. So if we want to remove here, we have to move 2 to the left hand side, right hand side of equal mark, and here it will go to the division relation. Means what? Y is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Okay. So if 2 is in the relation of multiplication, so if it goes to the opposite side, becomes the denominator. Okay. So y is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the solution. Okay. Now here solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Expression is there to the left hand side and number is there to the right hand side. But look at my thing. If the coefficient of x are fractional numbers rather rational numbers. Okay. So same as we have done earlier. Here we will move 5 by 2 to the right hand side. So x by 3 will be as it is. Minus 3 by 2 will be as it is to the right hand side. Only 5 by 2 will be moved to the right hand side. So plus 5 by 2 will be minus 5 on 2. Okay. Now x upon 3. Look at here. To the right hand side of equal to marks. We have two numbers which we have to add or subtract. Here the denominator is common. So when the denominator is common, you just have to write once the denominator and minus 3 minus I will be here. Okay. So x by 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 upon 2. So x by 3 will be minus 4. Okay. 2 4 is 8. Now we want to move 3 to the right hand side. So 3 is a denominator here. It will be multiple here. Okay. So x is equal to minus 4 into 3. X will be minus 12. Okay. So this is the solution of this equation. Okay. Okay. Now solve example number 4. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Now my friend, we have to move 15 by 4. This is the number, we will move it to the right hand side. So minus 7x will be as it is, and 15 by 4 will be moved to the right hand side. So 9 as it is, and 15 by 4 will get his sign change. So plus 15 by 4 will be minus 15 by 4. Now my friend, minus 7 upon x. So not denominator common here. Here the denominator was common. Here nothing as a denominator. Consider it to be 1. Consider it to be 1. So 1 and 4 are different numbers having no common factor. So if you get this type of number, 1 is there. Now you have to cross multiply. 9 4s are 36 minus 1 is there. 1 into 15, that is 50, divided by 4 into 1, that is 4. 4 1s are 4. So 9 4s are 50, 1 here, 9 4s are 36, 1 into 15, 15, and 4 1s are 4. So minus 7x will be 36 minus 15, that is 21 divided by 4. Now we want to find the answer for x. X will be along to the left hand side. So we want minus 7 to move to the right hand side. So transpose. We want to transpose minus 7 to the right hand side. Now be sure minus 7 is multiplied to x. So when any number is in the multiplication and to be moved to the opposite side, it will become the denominator. Minus 7 is a multiple here. So if you want to the right hand side, it will be the divisor. Okay. So 21 divided by 4 into minus 7. Okay. Minus 7 will be the divisor. Here is 7. 3 is there. So x is equal to 3 into 3 divided by 4, but 1 minus sign is there. So minus sign will anywhere be given to here, and this is the solution of this equation. Okay. Now you are now learning this. You will be able to solve. You will be able to solve the exercise 2.1. Okay, so you have to solve homework. I am giving you in homework exercise 2.1. Complete exercise. Very easy, my friend. Very easy. Okay.